Welcome back, fans. My name's Nelson. Welcome to Nelson POV if you guys are new. Today I got a very exciting product for you. It's Bevino's. I don't know. I say it in Spanish. It sounds like I'm saying it in Spanish. This is actually a really cool product. This is their new Z26 series. It's a completely one-to-one. So that means it fits just like the original. This is the box is going to come in. They are a Chinese brand, so I don't know 100% how good they're going to be. This is the 9006. It's a 6K, so this should be a white bright bulb. These are LEDs, so no more HIDs, no more dealing with the bulbs and the ballast, all that wiring. They have completely redesigned it, so this is all you need.
This doesn't need a ballast.
No.
Wow.
Less failure. I have actually installed one. I'm going to show you guys it right now, but I want to show you guys this product because when I first saw it, I was like, wow, this thing is cool. This is my old plastic. When you see the plastic is kind of burnt out a little bit, has some hazing on it. No bueno. And it is plastic. If this falls, it's gonna break. And the first thing I noticed when I saw this, I was like, holy, it's heavy. And I like that. And then I was like, this isn't, it's all metal. I was like, holy poop, this is all metal or some type of aluminum. It's got a seal so water doesn't get into it. The LED, always make sure to check that LED for any breaks. It doesn't have anything, and it is just about 100% one-to-one. Looks the same, but this one definitely feels a lot better. It's got weight to it, which is something that you always want. I hate when you order something online, a radio, anything, and it just has no weight. This thing is heavier than this. This thing feels better than this.
The quality is definitely there.
The quality is there. So I'm going to put this back in the safety pouch so that nothing happens to these bulbs. Really cool pouch. I really like how small it is because it's a small product. You don't need take up that much space in your drawers or anything like that, you know? It's a small thing, it's a small product. The difference is night and day. Wow, this is a 2001, so the design on these is not perfect. I hate when they have this kind of design, but I mean, it is just one-to-one. I love the white with the silver of my car, and the white, it's like black. It goes with everything, matches everything. Always get the 6K, no matter anything.
You installed this? Wait, you installed this and I didn't even see you install it.
Oh, it's super easy on this car.
2 seconds to install.
The Buick is kind of a piece of something kind of car. It's not my greatest car. It's kind of a rust bucket, but it's a Chevy product, and I really like that.
I love Chevy.
Yeah, so these are actually just like a Chevy.
I love Chevy quality because
have you seen this?
just like me, I'm not that good.
So these just pull right out. Oh, that's all, just like me. They pull out just like that, and same thing. I mean, it reminds me so much of like Chevy headlights. These pull out like that. That's the one
from the Silverado.
From the Silverado, yeah. And look, it just pulls right out. Actually, even easier than a Silverado. We're gonna unplug this. This is probably the hardest part. There it is. And I already turned them on. If you don't know which one's which, just turn on your car headlights and you'll know which one the headlight is. There is a 9005 here, which is the high beam. 9006, which is going to be your low beam. So just simply take this plastic off. There's the old headlight. We're going to disconnect it.
You're going to do it one-handed?
Yeah, basically. Set this aside. Gonna remove this guy. Goes like that. We're gonna get our all metal badass LED, and we're gonna screw it on. I mean, that was just about perfect install with one hand. That's how good. I mean, I don't know anything about this brand, but it just feels like a really high quality product.
That's it?
That's it, yeah, it's on.
You installed it?
Yeah.
That took you seconds.
Yeah.
Nelson, do you remember years ago how big of a pain in the butt it was to install the LEDs to my 1992 Honda Civic?
You mean HIDs?
Oh, yeah.
HIDs are, yeah, thing in the past.
Oh my god, dude, I love this new technology.
Dude, they're just like light bulbs, just like normal light bulbs.
So good.
Yeah. We're gonna turn them on right now. This is gonna be, and guys, if you've stuck around this far, this is POV Nelson. So we gotta go for a POV test drive. You guys know, right? You guys know the POV test drive is going. All right, that's the install. Let's turn them on to make sure they are both working.
That took you like minutes.
Woo!
Man, that looks nice.
Yeah, I love the look. The silver, or it doesn't matter what car yours is, white 6K LED lights from Bevino are gonna be amazing. I want to thank you guys for being here. I want to thank Bevino. We're gonna go on one final test drive right now, so stick around. Dude, my car is baller now. Like, every racer knows that winning is winning.
Yeah, but you can't win if you can't see.
That's true. You can't win if you can't see. What is that? With Bevino, you're winning right there. And I'm sorry for botching it. It's Bevizi. But I like to say Bevino because it kind of reminds me of something Spanish. And I got 2 sets. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Bevino. Thank you to all my fans for being here. I really appreciate you guys being here, watching the video, supporting your boy Nelson. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. Also, if you do buy these headlights, I'm going to put in the description down below. Comment what you think about them. I really like them. I think they're really cool, really good features. Only time will tell how good they are. Okay, guys, have a good day. Bye.